Naples, Florida, on the Gulf of Mexico. It's known for the white beaches, calm water, and a slower pace that makes it easy to enjoy. The marina adds to the charm, filled with boats that show how closely is the city tied to the water. But Naples is more than just the shoreline. Downtown, especially along 5th Avenue South and 3rd Street, you will find shops, galleries, and restaurants that make it one of the most walkable areas in Southwest Florida. The streets are lined with palm trees and filled with outdoor dining, weekend events, and the kind of small town atmosphere that makes people feel at home. 5th Avenue has been the centerpiece of Naples for decades, a place where community events, parades, and festivals bring people together. Day or night, it's the busiest stretch of the city and the first stop for most visitors. The city's roots go back to the late 80s, when it was promoted as a winter getaway for fishing and boating. More than a century later, that same lifestyle still defines Naples. Only now it's grown into a city while holding onto its relaxed character. It's a place where the coast, community, and history all come together, making Naples feel both timeless and alive. This is Naples, Florida.
What's up guys, my name is Václav Černošek and I'm the founder of BlueLens production. I hope you enjoyed the video about Naples, Florida. I visited Naples few times, and this last time I went to Naples, I actually was going to film a social media content for a client. And I was thinking that since I'm already going there, I don't gonna be spending the whole day with them. I might have some free time, so I'm gonna actually capture some footage that I could post on my channel here for you guys. So that's what I did. And I hope you enjoyed, because I kinda tried to select the best places that I found in Naples to show them to you. Also, I didn't have that much of the time, so I wasn't able to go to many different locations, but I kind of went to the 3-4 main spots. If you saw in the video, the 5th Avenue, then I went to the marina, then I went to the pier, kind of went around the beach to capture a few spots, and I think it was a great enjoy the day. I talked to the client and they kind of gave me the recommendations where I should go first, what is definitely something that I should capture and show to the audience. 5th Avenue is amazing. As you saw in the video, there's many restaurants, boutique shops on the street. That's actually the street where most of the people go in Naples for the visiting for the first time. So it was actually like Thursday morning, so it wasn't as busy. And that's what I always say, compared to like Fort Lauderdale, Miami, this city is definitely more calm down, more chill. There's not as much like of a traffic. It's not as busy, crazy like these major cities, or even like Tampa that's above it. So first thing, 5th Avenue, then I went to the marina. I never been there before. When I visited Naples, this was actually a nice place. There's actually a restaurant right there. I didn't get a chance to go to it, but it looked amazing. I got some drone shots around there, so I think those are looking nice. Nice houses around there. Then I head to the pier. Sadly, I was hoping that by now the pier is gonna be completely open and fixed, but as you might have recognized in the video, the second half of the pier is still under construction, so you can walk a little bit by the pier, but you're not able to actually go on it. Even if it's not possible to do that, you can still go to the pier and go to the beach there and go to the water. So I definitely recommend doing that. As you saw probably on the video, the beach is very pretty there. The sand is amazing. It wasn't even that many people there, and it was a tourist season during the summer. So I hope that when you go to visit Naples, this might be the spots that you actually go check out. And actually, when I was there, I recognized one big thing. This might be like a tip for my filmmakers, content creators. There's a airport of Naples right close to the downtown. So a big thing that you always need to check is get your permission when flying there, because there's not that much big of a airspace allowed out. So always what I did, I requested a permission that I can fly there, and then followed how much is the fees that I can go by to, because on the Fifth Avenue it's not that much. By the marina there's some more space, but still not as much. By the pier the same thing. So definitely look for that and make sure that you get permission to fly your drones. For the visitors, for the people, definitely going there and spending like a weekend, like on the evenings, go check out Fifth Avenue. That's where everything lives. You can dine outside. I love that. It's even like, you know, at Fort Lauderdale it feels like more busy always. Miami, here it's even the nightlife, it's still nice, but it seems like much quieter, much calm down, I would say. So definitely a great place to go spend a weekend, go visit. And yeah, if you live in Naples, let me know what are the spots there that I maybe missed and would be pretty to showcase in a video, something like this. Maybe in a little bit longer, if many of you comments different places, I would love to go back, visit, and make another video with your recommendations. What would you recommend for me to capture? If you are thinking about visiting Naples, or you have visited Naples as tourists, let me know what did you like there. I always like to go there. It feels very different, especially that it's like by the Everglades, you know. So I'm coming usually by the side of Fort Lauderdale. So you're crossing on the Alligator Alley, you cross there, passing the Everglades, and then you get there. I feel like it kind of feels like getting to really another side of Florida, you know, everything's small, chill down, you have so much green spaces, like the houses are different, kind of a little bit style, so kind of different vibe. And especially if you're going to Fort Lauderdale and you already been here maybe a few times and you want to try something new, take a day trip or spend there a night, go to Naples, check it out, and you can come back to Fort Lauderdale or Miami. It's not that far, it's only 2 hours drive. Many people doesn't realize it, but 145 minutes or like hour 30, 2 hours, it depends on the traffic, but no more than 2 hours usually you're there. So definitely I recommend that. And yeah, as I mentioned, we're a video production, content production company based around Fort Lauderdale, but we even travel to Naples. So if you would need any video services, definitely contact us. And thank you for watching these videos. If you would like to see some of my other videos about like Fort Lauderdale downtown or Fort Lauderdale beach, definitely check out my content. If you're actually content creator, videographer, I have more videos about that on my channel, so you can definitely check it out. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and I will see you at the next video.